So I teach kindergarten ceramics in the very beginning of the year because first, they love it, whether they know it or not. And through that experience, they love art. It develops their fine motor skills by building up the muscles in their hands. On the first day, we focused on the properties of clay and what it feels like when the clay is fresh out of the bag, and then how it changes just in an hour. In the second day, we looked at how the clay had changed over the process of a week, and we learned about the fragility of clay. The third day, we learned to score, slip, squish, smooth, and that's just something to help kids remember what to do. We learned about how to glaze clay because we had made another piece attaching the clay properly, and why it's important to show your work to other people. That part of the process of making art is showing the art.
I made a boat. This is the sail. This is where the steering wheel is. And this is the part that makes it float.
I made a dog, and it has a jetpack, but it doesn't have any legs.